These children, now in schools, have survived long painful years of bonded labor in different carpet looms or khadis in the desert area of Umerkot. Most of the children are involved in child labor or out of school due to poverty. But a non-formal school at Sadamani village 40 kilometers from Umerkot town was established by Thardeep NGO to pull these ill-fated children out of these khadis. Thardeep bought the freedom-paying khadi owners 20,000 rupees per child.
खड़ी मरतो मोर 2000 में ना 20000 में मां बस माता हो जी कर दे भरे ना आइए ना कोई थर भी तारे स्कूल आइए वो पढ़ा दो.
The national flag flutters atop this makeshift non-formal school where 50 girls and boys are getting education, and a sense of pride is pretty visible on the faces of these children, apparently on seeing their right of education realized. All these children were paying off debts by working without salary at these looms. The loan was taken by their parents. Recently got released from ruthless cultures of exploiting elements by Thardeep. These innocent children are now getting education.
पेरी बारड़ा सब कालीन जो कम कंदा हुआ हींअर साईं थरदीप वारनि असांखे स्कूल ॾिनो आहे ऐं उनखे ॾाढे शौक़ सां हलायूं पिया ॾाढे शौक़ सां ॿार पढ़नि पिया.
As many as 19 more schools have been established in different parts of Umerkot, where 900 girls and boys are getting education after they got released from the suppression of criminals involved in child labor. 2,300 children, mainly girls, are still in the dreaded khadis. Dr. Sono Khangarani said that the focus in the Umerkot is to increase number of school-going children, majority of whom are doing child labor to support their families, and attainment of this goal was not possible without support of the local communities.
So we went to the community. We asked how to bring those working children in particular back to the school. If they don't have the school, they will go to the work. And their work means a work is the labor for them. They can go herd the cattle, they can go do agriculture field, they can work on the carpet, they can work on the bricklanes. And those are all hazardous for the young children.
Rising poverty is being termed as a major cause of falling attendance in the school in most of Sindh. Development experts, however, say income generations centered uplift programs which can help improve people's economic condition would surely help boost ratio of the school-going children. Qurban Ali Khushik, DawnNews, Umerkot.